Okay, let me see if it tastes good. Good. Yeah. You've not even tasted it yet and it's only. Hmm? Bumali di Hill, Tsengkalo. Go dance. Unel Ospo Minmao. So Unel plus dan ha. Malko sare. The Hill. Let's just say try Unel half price.
Maybe I was going to see us.
That's why a lot they were saying like it's really good food daw. Martin all the way here and still pizza.
It's actually very good.
Is it? Can you taste the difference of the...
It's a Turkish sausage.
So there's difference there? Okay, I didn't know. So what do you do when it's lacking like that?
Huh?
What do you do when it's lacking like that? Maybe that's just the taste they wanted here. Hmm? Tastes like just chips. Do you wanna taste this?
Det bliver lige et nej tak herfra.
Hvorfor ikke? Is there a shopping center near the area?
Skal jeg gå ud og købe noget nu her, eller hvad? Nu, eller? Jeg går ud og kigge bag.
No, for tomorrow, like maybe H&M, something like that. I don't know.
Nej, det tror jeg ikke. Jeg tænker det over.
You know all the clothes I wore and bringing? Summer clothes. I got shorts and I got dresses. I got nothing for cold like this. But it's actually really good that we ended up here instead of finding it so difficult there. Who would have expected?
Lars is impressed they're still alive.
Oh,
Lars,
why?
living with you. Dangerous.
Serious?
We got knife at home.
No, but time, but it went so fast, no? You know? It's like, I still remember I was like who got so sad because I ordered food that I didn't really like. Remember?
You didn't understand the taste.
I think it was like the first restaurant we eat together with Nes, it was Italiano. In
Yeah, right.
but I forgot the name of the place.
No, it's Italiano.
Yeah, but was it BGC? Was it?
No,
It was like a certain place where you can go and you there's a
Greenbelt.
lot Greenbelt. And it's like I was too shy to. What does it mean? What is this? You know.
What happened?
Your arm's smart in here.
Yeah, I know.
And then feel like cheated on because it's like the food that I have wasn't really, and it was like costing, yes, I can still husga det kostar 603 krona. And I peso.
Really?
Ja, och så fyller jag så dålig om den här för det kostar så malo och det var inte gott.
So you feel bad?
Yeah, but then right now when you think about it, it's actually not a lot. Don't you think? Okay, now I can make how do you say that in Danish? Like comparison.
I'm leaning.
Huh?
I'm leaning.
Sammenligning med her og med jeg fik fra Danmark.
A flower is a flower, it is just a flower, it's just another flower. It's not a moonlit night, it is not a skin deep metaphor. Stop trying to search for meaning when you know that there is nothing there. There is no grand scheme, just let it be a flower. Life is just a life, it is just a life, it's just another life. And if you search for the meaning, there's nothing there, there's nothing anywhere. You're just another bag of skin, you're walking blindly through the back streets of the universe. But don't be afraid, because it's beautiful. Everything is following a simple curve, and you are gonna ride along no matter how you try to swerve. As pointless as it is, it's gonna flow along. It's going up, it's going up, it's coming down, it's coming down. Love is just a love, it is just a love, it's just another love. A stimulation of synapses cause the dopamine reactions. Well, it's just a love. Stop trying to analyze your feelings and explain away the way you feel. Just take my hand and let it just be a love. The song is just a song, it is just a song, it's just a pretty song. It's just a bunch of notes I play for you with a catchy melody. Oh, stop trying to search for meaning when you know that there is nothing there. There's no grand point, so let it just be a
So what happened when you did not expect it? Like, did you feel like, oh,
What is this? What am I doing? I like this.
everything was eaten already? Good.